Hi students, today we are going to learn a simple calculator program in Java through using if-else statement students. First, I will click on BlueJ icon to open BlueJ compiler, and let's see students how I am going to represent all the programming code in front of you. I am using if-else statements to design a simple calculator program which perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division operations. Let's see students, now I am going to show you a simple calculator program in Java. Look at this screen. First we have to create a new class. Click on new class button. Here I am giving the class name CALC calc. Okay, I am giving a class name calc. Press OK. Then double click over here, this class name. Then one new window will be open. I click on maximize button to maximize the screen. Then press Ctrl plus A, all select, and press delete button to delete whole contents. Now I want to take some output value from the user. That reason I need to implement a library package, namely utility package. Okay, let's see. Import java.util.start semicolon class. I have given the class name calc, second bracket open, public static void main string args, third bracket open close, first bracket close, second bracket open. I have used here utility package java.util.star. All the elements and containers of this package automatically I can access, because here I have given the star. Star indicates all the container elements I will access. Here to implement the scanner class, for that reason I have taken the utility package. So now I am going to declare the scanner class. S is capital SCA scanner SC. This is the user defined name of the scanner class, equal to new scanner within first bracket system.in first bracket close semicolon. Clear? Now I will design the menu. What are the operations we are going to perform? Okay, system.out.println. Within double inverted comma, I am designing some text, asterisk symbol. Okay, now operations I have written here. What are the operations this calculator program will be performed? So let's see. 3 asterisk symbols I have given here. Now again system.out.println. Here I have written press plus for addition, double inverted comma close, first bracket close, semicolon. I can copy this line, no need to write again and again, just copy this line. Come to next line, press enter, Ctrl plus V to paste this thing. Now symbol, press subtraction symbol for subtraction. Again come to the next line, paste, press multiplication symbol for multiplication. Now again paste division symbol for division, division, division. And one more things I will add here. I am going to add one more comment. If you will press capital E, then your program automatically exit from this window. Ctrl plus V, here I write press capital E to exit. Press capital E to exit. Okay. So now here plus, minus, multiply, division, E, all are individual characters, so I need a character variable to take all the character inputs. Now I am going to take a character variable char space op equal to sc dot next first bracket open close dot char at within first bracket write 0 first bracket close semicolon. I have already said the students I want to use if-else statements to print or perform all calculation in Java. In this program, you will learn to make a simple calculator using if-else in Java. This calculator would be able to add, subtract, multiply, divide and exit operations. We will add, subtract, multiply and divide up two numbers. So for two numbers input, now I am going to take two double variable. DOUBLE, double is the data type. I am taking a variable n1 comma n2. Okay, one more variable I want to take for perform the operation double. Here I am taking a operation purpose tot or better to take result. As per your choice, you will put the variable name. It doesn't matter what I am taking. According to me, you have to take it. Does not matter. Whatever you will like, whatever the name you like, you will take as per your choice. Okay. Now res, I initialize the variable res 0.0 semicolon is a double type of variable, as we all know, students. Now how condition work? Now if op equal to within single inverted comma right plus symbol. If it is a plus, then I will print a message here system.out.println. Here I will write enter first number. I will write here. Okay. Next, already see, look at here in this area n1 n1 and n2. n1 for the first number and n2 variable I can store the second number. Already I have taken and declared these two variables. And data type is the double. Already you can see the data type is double. Now come to this point. Now n1 equal to sc dot next double double first bracket open close semicolon. I can copy this whole to Control C, come to the next line, Control V. Now I write here enter second number. Okay, enter second number, and I change the variable n1 to n2. Now res equal to n1 plus n2 semicolon. Look at here, our operation is plus, but the addition I can make it addition operation here. Now we need to print the result. System dot out dot println first bracket within double inverted comma, here I write result equal to, as you like, you can write whatever the things you will write within double inverted comma. According to your writing text, it will print and it will show to the computer screen. Now we need to print the res variable plus. This plus is not an operator, it will help to accumulator. Okay, res first bracket close semicolon. Done. Now your if close. Now else if op equal to single inverted comma right minus. If it is minus, second bracket open, then if it is minus, second bracket open, then again you have to write this thing. I am copying this thing whole. Only our operator will be changed. I will place minus operator or subtract operator instead of addition operator. Look at here, Control V. Sorry, I need to copy first. Control C, and here Control V. Look at here. Again, showing a message enter first number stored n1 variable. Already I have declared here n1 and n2, and enter second number n2 variable, it will store the second value. Now operations should change. Now it will be subtract. All things are remain same here. Come to the next line, second bracket close. Now I can copy these whole things once again. Control C. Here I write Control V. If it is multiply operator, all things will be remain same, and only subtract operator will be changed into multiply operator, and all things are remain same. Again, next line, paste the same thing. If it is a division operator, only here I will change this operator division instead of our previous operator. Okay. Now once again, else if OP equal to capital E, then your program will be exit from the compiler. How it will work? Look at here. I will write here system dot exit within first bracket 0 first bracket close semicolon. Before exit I will post one message here. I am going to display one message for the user. System dot out dot println. Here I will show a message. Thank you for choosing Java. This message helps you look better your program. Okay. Next, second bracket close. Our second block close. Next, else part. Second bracket open. If user can choose out of this 5 operator any other operator, any wrong value user can input, then it will print a wrong error message for the user. It will show a error message for the user. Yes, we have chosen the wrong key. Now system dot out dot println within double inverted comma, here I have written wrong key or command chosen. Wrong key command chosen. Okay. Next line, second bracket close. Now student main close. Now class close. Our program is completed. Now let's see how it will work. Since top utility you can see once again I have import the utility package here, java.utility start. Now class, I have designed a class calculator, namely class name is CALC. All the things look at here. This is our menu. These are the function work inside this program block. Look at here how it will work. Now I will click on the compile button. Look at bottom of the screen of this window, class compile, no syntax errors, means my program is completely correct. Close button. Now right click over here, click void main option and click OK to continue. Look at here. Suppose you want to do addition, press plus, enter first number. Here I have written 25.5. Enter second number. I have given here 42.5. Enter result 68.0. Clear? Only one time operation is possible in a single window at a time. Next, if you want to do any other operation, close this window. Once again, right click over here, click on void main option, click OK. Suppose I am going to do multiplication, press multiplication operator, press enter. I put here 25, right here 5, enter 125.0 because I have taken the double variable. Again click on the close button. If you are going to perform any other operation, right click over here and click void main option. Once again, choose OK to continue. Suppose I want to press capital E. I want to exit from this program. Press enter. Thank you for choosing Java. Now let's see. It will automatically exit from this panel. Okay students, thank you very much. And everybody will implement this program personally in your computers. Thank you very much.